Rolling thin film oven, fully automatic with PLC HMI touchscreen. Mains display, rotating shelf. It will be rotate from 5 rpm to 60 rpm. The top side one blower is there to circulate the hot air in the chamber. Main display, it includes status, setting, data log and self cleaning. Inside status, temperature parameter, set value, process value, flow parameter, process value and timer. Set the RPM from here. We set it at 15 RPM. Another is setting to operate the rotation of motor, air circulation motor and airflow motor with shock timer. Data log is there. It includes time versus temperature, flow and RPM. And self-cleaning function is there to heat the chamber with unwanted fumigation. Okay, we start that, set the temperature, and by heating one cycle, heating will be generated by flow meter. Set RPM 15. Rotation of RPM is started. Airflow, then we can start. Airflow. It will control up to 4000 ml per minute plus or minus 200 ml as per standard requirement. One additional flow control valve is given to control the flow rate by manual system. Okay, this one is total equipment. Pot is above the chamber is there for the temperature measurement. Okay, this will show the set RPM and actual RPM. Okay, after process, actual RPM, and it will show the data log, time versus temperature versus flow versus RPM. You can easily download the data from the USB device. Also for the after time will be completed and temperature maintained, buzzer will be sound. We set the timer to 2 minutes. It will blink by the cycle completed, and one buzzer is also there in the system. Okay, thank you so much.